All right, guys, so today I'm gonna attempt to drain my air tank on the Lexus LS430. Oh, freaking Snicker bar, man.
It was at this moment he knew he fucked up.
Yo, what's going on, VIP family? Wait, hold on. All right, much better. Yo, what's going on, VIP family? So today I'm pretty much going to be replacing a I guess it would be a drain knob, valve, whatever, on my air tank, because currently I went to go try to drain it. And real quick, let's get the memo out there. If you guys have air, make sure you guys drain your air tanks before it builds up with condensation, big words, condensation, and pretty much messes up the system. So make sure you guys drain your air tank. So I'm going to be replacing this part right here that connects to where my air tank drains because it broke. So pretty much that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So let me go ahead and start by airing out the car. So car is aired out, and real quick, make sure you guys drain your air tank if you guys haven't. This is pretty much a video letting you guys know drain your air tanks if you guys haven't did that lately. But anyways, also thank you to the guys, everybody that's been supporting the page. I appreciate it. Much love. Thank you for the likes. For the guys that are pretty much new, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, notification bell to say update on the latest videos. Without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so first things first, we need to clean this trunk out. Got all my little junk in here. But the piece that I'm talking about replacing is pretty much right here. As you can see, it broke. So this is pretty much how it's supposed to look. This little wing piece right here is supposed to go. You turn it, and this is pretty much how it works. So as you turn this, it pretty much opens up and lets the water come out from, come on, pick it up, come on, god damn it. Lets the water come out through right here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the trunk out real quick and then pretty much replace that. So yeah, give me a second. And for those of you that have not seen my trunk setup, it's pretty much basic, nothing crazy, not yet. I just pretty much have my 444C dual Viair compressors, my tank, G-force bracket mount, and then the AVS little drainer thing over there, and then the airlift unit in the back. That's pretty much it, man. Enough talking though, let's get into this video. Damn. Yeah, so all the air is out of the tank now. Hey, that shit would have low-key scared me. But yeah, all the air is out of the tank, so now I should be able to just take that out, swap it, put in a new one. Woo! Let's go show you something real quick, mate. So you see how it's orange right here, and then this is white? That's how cold it was, guys. And then this is what, let me see. That. I know there's more though, but yeah, that was pretty much what was inside the tank. So now, like I said, I'm gonna get this broken piece swapped out for the new one, and then it should be good to go. Screw this piece back on, it just screws back on, and then it should be good to go. So let's get it. All right, so got the old one out. This is the new one. So now pretty much I'm gonna get my Teflon tape and pretty much wrap it around right here and then screw it back into here. And then pretty much, like I said, this screws on, and then connect the air lines, add air to the car. Should be good to go.
Everything I need.
pretty much done. Just gotta turn the car on, let some air get in that system. Damn, that shit looks so nice, aired out. Whew. Man, if only I could be static. Nah, I let my static ears, boys. All right, let's turn this car on. See what's up. So it's just saying tank is low, tank too low. So right now, as you can see, it's adding pressure into the tank, saying tank is low. So right now it's just adding pressure. As you can see, the pressure is going up, and you can see that the height is starting to rise. So yeah, we pretty much did it, boys. Woo! Like I said, if you guys are new to the channel, appreciate it if you guys hit that like button, subscribe, show your boys some love. Also, you guys can follow me on Instagram at vipls_430. Check me out, man. But till next time, I'll catch you guys. Much love.